The auto industry is much more than just nuts and bolts of an assembly line. The services market runs a gamut from car financing to repairs and maintenance.
Essentially, the challenge for dealers now is profitability. Dealers' margins on new cars are very thin, and so they have to find other opportunities within the dealership. Fixed operations, service and parts is a great opportunity for them to be profitable.
With connected car, on an everyday basis, you will have a lot of data being generated. Your behavior, the way you drive your car, right, etc. All this data will be generated. So who owns this data can provide the best services to the customers.
How far has car financing progressed in China, where cash is king most of the time?
Well, so far in China, what we've seen is relatively low penetration of car finance. It's about 15%. It's much below other countries. That's above 50%, 78, you're close to 100% for the U.S. The OEM finance arms, they will grow much faster in the future. They have consumer relationship, but they're closer to the market. They know what the consumers want in terms of the auto purchase. And so the automakers' finance arms had a big boost in the last 2 years, and especially this year with new financing instruments being allowed by the Banking Regulatory Commission. They'll grow quite fast in the future, and we expect overall the auto finance to increase a lot in China.
Something else that is changing the auto service sector is mobile internet. I speak with the CEO of BitAuto, a New York Stock Exchange-listed Chinese auto internet company, about how they are going mobile.
Back in early 2013, only 20% of our users accessed our services via mobile phones, but that grew to 50% by the year end. So we decided to go mobile more, like launching the Car Price Quotes app. We used big data to get to know consumers' behavior patterns so that we can provide news and services that suit their appetite. Our clients, such as car dealers and companies, can also use big data to make efficient marketing plans. From becoming interested in a car to actually buy one, the logic in that can be found by analyzing the data. We established a joint venture with Kelley Blue Book, a leading U.S. internet firm that provides second-hand car pricing services. Unlike new cars with the same prices for each model, the value of each second-hand car varies. China is the world's second-largest second-hand car market, and soon will become the largest. Insurance companies, car buyers, dealers, and car makers are all eyeing the market development.
In today's Auto Show profile, I speak to Olaf Kastner, the CEO of BMW Brilliance China, about how they're using the leasing option to get people on board their new e-car. Why the rental model for the Zonoro?
The rental model for us is a very strategic element. This is a new technology. We strongly believe that people have to get used to this new technology. Instead of spending a lot of money up front and then starting to experience the technology, we wanted to bring the car closer to make it more affordable. And when you see that a daily rental costs 400 renminbi, it is very affordable.
You save on fuel.
For the fun, you save fuel, and it's very affordable and fun to drive this car.
Tell us about what services you offer.
We have developed almost a full circle you need in a developed car market. Of course, it started with new car sales. For a year, very buoyant. Now, and no wonder, we always expected that the growth rates are still magnificent, but they are coming down slightly. The dealers in that time have developed after sales, because just selling the car is not enough for customer orientation for a premium brand. We will this year run about 250,000 training days to train our service network. We have the largest service network out there. We have more than 420 dealer outlets, and we are growing that as well, predominantly in future in the smaller tier towns. So we are talking not only third tier, we are talking a fourth and fifth, but at the same time we are consolidating services, creating more work base in first and second tier.
And car financing?
Car financing, yes. We have a finance company on the ground with a very successful penetration rate of 30%. So they grew very quickly. We have the used car development. We are the leaders in the market in used cars. So you see quite a lot. We have fleet business developing, and this will stronger develop in the future. The market is ready for it. We will see in the future, I think, more leasing in the market, known very well from the West, not that well known here. So this is the full circle, I always say, of success of a car manufacturer in the country.
Just look around us and you realize how far China's love affair with cars has come.
Can investing in car races pay off? And just how fast and furious is China's car racing scene?
And we talk to some of the biggest sports car names on their latest sensory strategy.
Keep it here on CCTV News, Friday's Auto Show special.